Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bonani and you are watching me on The Trend Enthusiast. So today I have created this glam holiday look ideal for Christmas and New Year parties. So if you want to know how I have created this look and if you want to get this look as well, then please keep on watching this video till the end. And for more of such videos, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. So please keep on watching. Moisturizing my face first, then using a matte primer to minimize pores, then using a lip balm. Using two foundation to get the perfect tone and the perfect consistency, and adding some shimmer primer to it to get a glowy base. After that, blending it with the beauty blender, damp beauty blender, all over my face without forgetting my neck and my ear. Then using a concealer on the highest point of my face, that is under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, forehead, chin and above my lips a little bit, and below my contour lines as well. After that, again blending it with the damp beauty blender, setting my face with the setting powder, translucent setting powder. After that, I will be doing my eyebrows, so combing my hair with spoolie and filling my eyebrows in, first the outer portion with dark strokes, intense dark strokes, and gradually coming forward with lighter and lighter strokes. And for the front part, I am using vertical strokes, again brushing it out, and then using the same light concealer, I am outlining the eyebrows for a crisp eyebrow. Again, I will be blending this with my damp beauty blender. After that, I am using this eyeshadow palette, taking this burnt reddish color for my transition shade, then the skin color to blend it out in a blending brush. Again, taking the same brown color for my lower lash line as well in the same blending brush. Then in another flat topped blending brush, I am taking this dark brown color for my entire eyelid and also to intensify the lower lash line. Then I am setting up my base with the setting spray and dabbing it in to my skin using the damp beauty blender. Now using loose neon pigment for my inner corner and again blending it in with my rest of the eye makeup. After that, using this neon glitter pigment, both are from Glitter Mafia, and using it again. After that, doing a crisp winged liner with a sketch liner pen. Done my eyelashes. Using mascara next for my upper and lower lashes. Then contouring my face on the hollows of my cheekbone, on my jawline, my forehead, and then for my nose, I am taking a small angled brush and contouring my nose next. Again, I will take the same large brush and blend that in. After that, I am using blush, using a fluffy blush brush, smiling and applying the blush, then applying highlighter on the highest points of my face or anywhere where I would like to have some glow, then using my tip of my finger to get that nose contour, perfect nose contour and highlight. Then I am lining my lips using a brown lip liner and then filling in with a badass brown lipstick. And with this, my look is complete. So I have accessorized myself with golden hoop rings and some bangles and bracelet, and I have done a half updo high ponytail, and with this my look is done. I am ready for my parties. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and please stay connected.